Hello, this is Dr. Jim Sharps at the IIOM YouTube channel, and I got a special treat for you today. We got a few requests for, okay, now that the holiday season is coming, how can we be healthy? There's some tips, some some things that you can share that kind of help us to kind of be healthy and bright and merry during this hectic holiday season. So what we're going to talk about today is some naturopathic original medicine tips to stay merry and bright over the holidays. Okay, so let's talk about some things. It is a time to kind of be joyful with the family, eating some delicious food. But let's be honest, it's also a time when our health can be taking a back seat. The overindulgence in food, overindulgence in activities in general, stress, winter colds. This can kind of steal the magic out of the season. So you're not feeling so merry and bright. But don't worry. Today we're going to share some original medicine secrets to keep you merry and bright while staying healthy during not only the holiday season, but beyond. So let's take a look at a few things. The first and foremost, let's face it, this is a very stressful time of the year. All that hustle and bustle can leave you feeling drained. Your get up and go is got up and going. So let's talk to some of my go-to things to kind of help you through this excess hustle and bustle that you experience this time of the year. And what I want to share with you is some of my favorite adaptogenic herbs. And one of my favorites is ashwagandha. So a few of them: ashwagandha, rhodiola, Siberian ginseng. Turmeric is one that I've been promoting quite a bit lately. Turmeric is a very powerful anti-inflammatory, and that's what happens when you're staying up late and you're doing a lot of things, and the stress can cause a lot of inflammation. So turmeric, you can combine these things. And holy basil, especially for women, they find this to be very helpful. So those are some of the things that can help you through some of these stressful periods. And you can even add a pinch of cinnamon to your favorite herbal tea. A drop of peppermint oil can be very helpful. Peppermint improves the oxygen carrying ability of the blood, and even ginger. These are some of the things that you can do. These are immune boosting, and they're adaptogenic, and they can help you to kind of get you over that spell. Let me just tell you what adaptogen means. Adaptogenic means they adapt to what your situation is. So if you're too high in something, it will lower it. If you're too low, it brings it up. So that's why these adaptogenic protocols and herbs help quite a bit. And even one of the things you might want to think about is even a contrast shower. If you're having a tough, if you're feeling the energy is gone, or you get up and say, I really feel out of it, take a nice contrast shower, which is kind of like 3 minutes in the 2 to 3 minutes in the hot, 30 seconds to a minute in the cold. And you do that 3 times. You end with the cold, and you'll be amazed at how energetic you feel. You get up and go comes back after that. So those are some things that you can kind of start the day with and do as required to kind of boost their energy and get through that drained out feeling. Now, I'm going to talk about food. So next up, let's talk a little bit about food. And, during this holiday season, you're often eating heavy and often, but, you can balance that indulgence of food with vibrant, nutrient-rich dishes. And one of the things you might want to consider is a nice winter detox salad, like kale and or chard with some pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seeds, cucumbers, onions. Throw a little bit of tomatoes, a little cucumber in it, but a nice vibrant salad. And you can drizzle it with some olive oil and lemon juice, or you can even add your favorite vinaigrette. especially during this time of the year. The vinaigrettes tend to work a little bit better because the meals tend to be heavy, and it kind of slows up the digestion. The vinaigrette will kind of help move it through a little bit better. So, and these salads are packed with antioxidants. They keep your immune system strong, the energy level up, and you can eat the salad first to prevent from even overeating. And if you do find yourself overeating, what you might want to consider is a 16 to 18-hour fast to give your body a chance to digest the food, or even before you're going to have a heavy meal, give yourself at least 8-12 hours between that meal, and that intermittent fasting can help to tide you through some of these heavy meals. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is essential oils. I talked about that earlier, but you might want to consider getting yourself a nice diffuser, and in addition to improving the air quality and smelling the air, can be very relaxing. And some of my favorites are peppermint oil, eucalyptus, mullein, lavender, frankincense. They can be very, very relaxing and improve the air quality. Another thing that improves the air quality in the house is houseplants. You're not getting out as much, so you want to improve the air quality. And houseplants are really an excellent addition to the home, especially during the holiday season, since you're not getting out. Oxygen. What plants do, these house plants, they put out oxygen and they take in your carbon dioxide. So it provides a very synergistic environment. So you can do this in addition to the essential oils, or if the essential oils and the diffusers isn't available, the house plants, just to make sure that you're keeping them watered. That might be a very, very good addition to improving the air quality, getting that oxygen enriched environment for you. You should see our house during the holiday season. My wife puts it's almost like a Garden of Eden. We got plants and house plants in the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and it does kind of improve the quality quite a bit. Now, let's not forget about this one important thing: the quality sleep. These long nights of wrapping gifts and watching holiday movies can really disrupt your circadian sleep cycles. So you might want to consider getting to bed as early as you can. Don't forget, every hour before midnight is worth 2 hours after midnight. And then you want to get some potassium and magnesium-rich foods like coconuts, avocado, bananas, edamame, and even some herbal teas like valerian root and or chamomile tea. You'll find to be very enriching. And remember, we said you can also add a pinch of ginger in it. And one of my favorites is blackstrap molasses. It's mineral rich, so you get a nice calming and mineral rich addition to your program that will boost the immune system, give you the minerals that you need, and calm you at the same time. So hopefully this gives you some tips and techniques that you can use during this holiday season to keep it merry and bright throughout the holiday season. So try some of these, and if you found this to be helpful, let us know below. And if there's other things that you like us to cover just before the holiday season, just drop us a note, and I'll cover that as well, so that you can have a nice, happy, magical Christmas without compromising the merry and bright sense of well-being. So again, if you found this to be helpful, share this video with your friends, your loved ones. Subscribe below for more original medicine, natural health, wisdom, of the ages, tips, techniques. So I want to wish you all a very happy, healthy, and joyful, merry, and holiday season until I see you next time. Bye for now, and God bless.